Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Transfer switches. Connect the generator to the transfer switch using a gen cord. Start the generator outside. Flip the main breakers in the transfer switch from line to generator power. One at a time, turn on the circuits you want to power.
Make your mark, take our lead.
With a transfer switch, about $500 to $900 to install, including labor, you'll have one connection to make, plugging one end of a cable into the portable generator and the other into a dedicated box connected to the transfer switch. 15 September 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.